Hi, it's Luke, and today we're going to be capturing some beautiful footage of a private estate that a colleague has asked me to film. Let's get started. I hope you're going to enjoy this video. So before I start to film, I've gone through and we've got all the permissions necessary. I've checked AirMap and it's a green location, so we're ready to go. We've got the permission from the landowner and we're following the regular rules of 50 meters from away of a person or property that you do not have control of, and also we're going to keep under 400 feet. So the equipment I'll be using today is the DJI Inspire 1 Pro and the DJI Crystal Sky. Let's get started. Thank you for watching this video, and I really hope you've enjoyed it and you've enjoyed this spring scenery. If you have, do make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.